Well, it looks like there's random pieces of rubber floating around this engine. It's a good thing to know as I'm on the racetrack. I hope that was a good crack. It's on there. Mostly. Still drives! And stops! And it stops! Alright, sit rep. We cannot get this off, unfortunately. So, let's see what Dale has in his tool chest to get this little hose off. There we go. Alrighty. Right there.
Keep spinning.
I'm so tired of this. Here we go. Yay. Nope. False alarm.
Luckily, you only have 3 more bolts in this water pump. There it is. How does it feel to be on the last bolt for the new water pump? Last bolt? Very good.
Okay, we're going to be doing this for the next 5 minutes. It's okay.
Super fine threads. It's delightful. Okay, so we've got the water pump, the new shiny one, all mocked up. It is literally the nicest thing in that engine bay, surrounded by grease and grime. Let's press on. Here's all the greasy, oily bits we've already taken off the car. We over here have our old busted alternator. We have our very worn out harmonic balancer. And then we have our old belt. And then the fan's going back on, that shroud's going back on. But that worn out stabilizer, yeah, that's off for good reason. All right, let's start this thing back up. We got it all back together. Give it a fire, Steven. So much better. So much better. Alrighty, folks. We've got this thing back together. This car had a lot of deferred maintenance. Turns out you don't put any money into a AMG for the last decade. There's issues, but we sorted them. Thanks for watching.
So I'm way glad that we did the harmonic balancer. I can definitely feel the flex discs first, but just in some, I can feel the vibrations way less than I could. And then with that steering stabilizer, this thing is tracking perfectly straight. It's doing exactly what it needs to do, and cornering is just way better. I'm really glad we did all of that.